Good evening, students. Today I am going to discuss the topic uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Let us see what is uniform motion. To understand uniform motion, let us take an example. Suppose a body starts from A, it covers 5 meter in 1 second and in next second it again covers 5 meter and in next 1 second it again covers 5 meter. In next 1 second it again covers 5 meter and let it reaches to B. So in this example you can see the body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. In every 1 second it covers 5 meter, again it covers 5 meter. So in this type of motion the body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. So what is uniform motion? If a body covers equal distances in equal interval of time, the body is said to be in uniform motion. So when a body covers equal distances in equal interval of time, the motion of the body is said to be uniform motion. Now let us see what is non-uniform motion. Suppose a body starts from A, it covers 5 meter in 1 second and in next 1 second it covers 7 meter and in next 1 second it covers 10 meter and in next 1 second it covers 8 meter and it reaches to B. So you can see in this example the body has covered unequal distances in equal interval of time. In each second it has covered unequal distances. So this type of motion is non-uniform motion. So if a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time the motion is said to be non-uniform. Non-uniform. So this is about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So in our everyday life we can take example. When a body is dropped from certain height, its motion is uniform motion, and when a car moves on a busy road, its motion is non-uniform motion, because due to some crowd the car may cover unequal distances in equal interval of time. Now take a screenshot of it. Now, next topic is acceleration. Suppose a body changes its velocity from u to final velocity v in time t. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. Let acceleration is denoted by A. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. Upon time. So A equal to final velocity is v minus initial velocity is u upon time taken, it is t. So A equal to v minus u upon t. By applying this relation, we can very easily find out acceleration in a body. Now let us see SI unit of acceleration is equal to SI unit of velocity upon SI unit of time. So what is SI unit of velocity? It is meter per second upon SI unit of time. It is second. So we can write this meter per second square. This is SI unit of acceleration. So now take a screenshot of it. Now let us see an example. A bus decreases its speed from 90 kilometer per hour to 54 kilometer per hour in 5 seconds. Find acceleration of the bus. So let us see. A bus decreases its speed from 90 km per hour to 50 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find acceleration of the bus. Now, initial speed, initial velocity, u, it is equal to 90 km per hour. Change this value in meter per second. 90 km per hour. To convert this, 90 into 1000 meter upon 1 hour means 60 into 60 seconds. So 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, 30. 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So this is 25 meter per second. This is initial velocity, and now final velocity v equal to 54 km per hour. 54 km per hour. So this is 54 into, as you know, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So multiply it by 1000. So this is meter on per hour means 1 hour. So this is 60 into 60 second. 6 1s are 6, 6 9s are 54, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 5s are 10. So this is 15 meter per second. So acceleration, since A equal to, as you know, v minus u upon t, by applying this relation, we can find out acceleration of the bus. Final velocity is 15 meter per second minus final initial velocity is 25 meter per second upon time taken, it is 5 seconds. So time taken is 5 seconds. So this is 15 meter per second minus 25 meter per second. This is minus 10 meter per second upon 5 seconds. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So this is minus 2 meter per second. Here minus sign shows negative acceleration, minus sign shows negative acceleration. So negative acceleration is called retardation. So the value of acceleration is minus 2 meter per second square, minus 2 meter per second square. Here negative sign shows negative acceleration, and negative acceleration is called retardation. Now take a screenshot of it. Now this session is completed, and we will discuss some more numerical problems in the next session. Thank you, students.